What's up guys, NDM Tech here. Redmi Airdots is one of the cheapest truly wireless earphones that you can get now, and let's see how good they are for the price we pay. First two things that comes to my mind when I talk about truly wireless earphones are portability and convenience. Nowadays I see a lot of good truly wireless earphones with enormous cases, and that case size basically spoils the whole portability factor, because you use that case to charge the earphones and also store them safely so that you won't lose them. Case size of the Airdots are good, they are not that big and they are easily pocketable. I really like the design of these earphones, they are so minimal and it looks really good in this matte black finish, which doesn't stand out like the white ones, which is why I love it. Build quality of these earphones are not that good, we can literally feel the cheap plastic, but then keeping in mind the price, it is fine. And that raises a question on how reliable they are in the long run. You get to know the battery status by the colors shown on the case and the earphones. White means fully charged and red means less charge or charging. I like the fact that it looks like there's nothing on the surface when the LEDs are off. It's a clean look. But I wish there was some way to know the battery percentage of the case as well as the left earphone. As of now we can only see the battery percentage of the right earphone. Battery life of these earphones are not that good. It only lasted for almost 3 hours in my use case, even though Redmi claims 4 hours and 12 hours with the case. I wish these places where the earphones go inside the case were a little more tighter so that they would start charging right away. Now you have to press in at times and make sure that the LED comes up. And I can't stop myself from seeing a face when all the LEDs light up. It uses a micro USB port for charging and takes almost 2 hours to get fully charged. These earphones are pretty easy to connect to your device, just take it out of the case and it enters pairing mode, and you'll find the earphones in your device Bluetooth list. However, I had a connection issue between the earphones and you can click on the card on the top right to watch my video on how to fix it. Audio quality of these earphones at this price point are actually better than what I expected. They don't sound completely flat and you can squeeze out a little bass by tweaking the equalizer settings of music apps that support them. Call quality is pretty good, but there's one catch. That is, you can only use the right earphone to make calls because only the microphone on the right earphone is used for calls. This is how the microphone of the Redmi Airdots sound like, and it is okay. Controls on the Redmi Airdots are pretty limited. Press the button once to play or pause, or answer an incoming phone call, and hold the button to reject the phone call. The button is a little too tight for my liking. Since we are pressing it onto our ear, it is very uncomfortable at times. This could have been solved if the button wasn't this tight. Redmi Airdots are IPX4 rated, which means it is splash resistant. That's pretty much it about Redmi Airdots, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking for truly wireless earphones at this price point. And the only thing that I'm not sure about is reliability, because I haven't used it that long. So please don't forget to subscribe, drop a like if you liked it, and see you guys in the next one.